Mr. Muppet Fan Enterprises Inc. presents Dark Dinosaur sneezes on his dad's face / grounded, and was inspired by Shamsundar 1997 and Anthony Master 7878 AUTTP.
Man, my stupid dad keeps grounding me and I can't believe I got grounded for stealing and eating Chester's banana. I wish I could get revenge on my dad, but how? I know, I'm going to sneeze my dad in the face. Ha 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 ha.
Man, this is a very peaceful day without Dark Dinosaur, and I can't do anything about things to do. Hey, Dark Dinosaur, what are you doing here? Go back to your room. You are still grounded.
Hey Dad, I have a surprise for you.
What is it? Hey, did you just sneeze on my face?
Yes, I am.
Oh my god, Dark Dinosaur, how dare you sneeze on my face? Now I have to wash my face thanks to you, and also, you know sneezing on someone is very disgusting to do that, and you have to cover your mouth. That's it, you are grounded until Super Bowl 55. Go to your room right now.
Wow.